You're scrolling through your social media, minding your own business, and suddenly, a friend posts about their amazing investment returns. You're intrigued. You want in on that action. But hold on, how do you even start? And what about dividends? Let's talk about StashAway. Now, the big question is, does StashAway pay dividends? I know what you're thinking. Dividends. That sweet, regular income stream that investors crave. But does StashAway fit the bill? Let's break it down. What is StashAway? Quick recap for those new to the investing game. StashAway is an investment platform that offers automated investing. Think of it as a robo-advisor. It builds and manages investment portfolios based on your risk tolerance and financial goals. Does StashAway pay dividends? The short answer is, it depends. StashAway offers different types of portfolios. Flexible portfolios, these are customizable portfolios where you can choose the assets. If you include dividend-paying stocks or ETFs in your portfolio, you will receive dividends. However, StashAway doesn't guarantee dividend payouts. It depends on the performance of the underlying assets. Income portfolios, these are specifically designed to generate income, including dividends. They're a good option if you're looking for regular income. How do dividends work on StashAway? If you're eligible for dividends, you have a couple of options. Reinvest dividends, this is the default option. Your dividends are automatically reinvested into your portfolio, growing your investment over time. Withdraw dividends, if you prefer to access your dividend income, you can set up a payout schedule. However, there might be minimum payout amounts and fees involved. Pros and cons of StashAway dividends. Let's weigh the pros and cons. Pros. Diversification. StashAway's portfolios are diversified, which can help manage risk. Automation. Investing is automated, making it convenient. Potential for growth. Reinvested dividends can contribute to long-term growth. Cons. Fees. StashAway charges management fees. No dividend guarantee. Dividend payouts aren't guaranteed. Limited control. You have less control over individual stocks compared to traditional investing. Is StashAway right for you? StashAway can be a good option if you're a beginner investor looking for a hands-off approach. However, if you're seeking maximum dividend income or prefer to have full control over your investments, you might consider other options. Remember, investing involves risks, and past performance is not indicative of future results. Always do your own research or consult with a financial advisor. So, does StashAway pay dividends? The answer is, it can. But whether it's the right choice for you depends on your individual circumstances and goals. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.